Latching or retenting contact are one of the connections one need to master when it comes motor control. Its application can be seen directly on process plant and other control systems. It also of great importance in PLC programming. In this tutorial we are going learn how wire latching switch. Let us start now. The start push button is normally open contact, 3 and 4, with spring loaded. When press with hand, the contact 3 and 4, then close. When release the hand, the contact restore to its normally open. Also the stop push button function in opposite, of the start push button. The stop push button is a normally close contact, 1 and 2, with spring loaded. When press with hand, the contact 1 and 2, then open. When release the hand, the contact restore to its normally close. Terminate the cable, from MCB to stop push button to terminal 1. Connect cable from terminal 2, of the stop button, to terminal 3, of the start push button. Also from terminal 3, connect another cable to NO13 of the auxiliary contactor. Connect a cable to terminal 4, of the start push button. Then terminate the cable from terminal 4 of then start button to auxiliary contact NO14. From the auxiliary contact, NO14. Connect another cable, then terminate the cable at A1. Finally, connect neutral, to A2. Oh, great, now we are through with the connection. Let us test it. When the start button is pressed, the contactor energizes. Immediately I release the hand, the switch is open. Then the current flow through the alternative route, the auxiliary contact 13 and 14, to keep the contactor energized. When the stop button is pressed, the power is interrupted, and the contactor is then de-energized. Please, like, and share our videos, also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, to enable you receive notification whenever we release a new video. Under the comment, please drop your comment, ask your question, or any topic you want us to treat. I promise we are going to satisfy you. Thanks for watching.